So I'm always in search for the best products, and it's always hard. There's so many products out there, but I think I found the best water fountain. It is from LALAHOME. They're known for their litter boxes. They're like automated litter boxes. This is their newest product, which, let's check it out, is their huge water fountain. And when I say huge, I mean huge. So this thing comes with a lot of features, and it is definitely worth the value of what you're getting. As you can see, this is a really big box, and yeah, it has a lot in it. So I'm gonna kind of take this down a little bit so you can actually see it better as I pull everything out. It's well packaged. I can already see this thing has boxes within boxes. It has a lot of features to it, and that's why I got it, because, well, I go on vacation. I'll go on vacation for 2 weeks at a time, and I don't want to have to worry about my pets, specifically my cats, even though this does work for dogs as well. But specifically my cats, being gone for like 2 weeks at a time, I want to make sure their litter is always cleaned out, make sure that they have water to drink from. And if I worry, because I do have friends that'll stop by, check on them, stop by the house to check on them, but you never know, you trust your friends, but you never know if they're actually stopping by or not. This is smart. It comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, so it allows you to track the actual water usage, as well as how much water is left, how much dirty water has been used and needs cleaned out. It has, as you can see, as I'm pulling this thing apart, not only does it have one 5-liter container, it has 2. That's 10 liters of water. That's just massive amount of water for a water fountain. As you can see, it doesn't look like a water fountain yet, because I'm guessing in here is let me unwrap the rest of this. There we go. You have what I'm guessing is the front part of it. Yep. Oh yeah. So you have this really big front part to it, and you can see all the chambers inside. A lot of this gets hidden, obviously, because, so here is your power that when you plug it in, and then yeah, check it out. This will slide right in here. And then now you might be asking yourself, well, Kitty's curious. So you might be asking yourself where the rest of it is. Well, there's a lot more to this, because okay, that is, I'll set that aside for a second. Your power plug. And I'm in the United States, so you have your USB-C charging plug. And that looks like a really long cable, which is good, because that way you can have, locations to make sure you have enough distance to, plug this in. Then what I was looking for is this front part, which is going to be, oh no, so the lids. So you have the plastic lid that goes on first. There's 2 of those. Pull the other one. So you have the plastic lids, and it makes it easy for you to know which side to put it onto, because you can only put it one way. Then you have your lids, because the lid, you have your sensors, so that way you can make sure that it is powered. On both of these. So there's your lids. And then you have, what's neat is the water fountain is going to be in here. What I also found very unique about this is how many water fountains actually really care about the health of your cat or dog. This is unique because this is the waste bucket, but it has a water fountain piece within it, which here is your 3-layer filtration. You can see that. But you have your anti-spill lid that goes on one side. Then on this side, which is so unique, I have to order it yet on Amazon or your other pet store, but basically this allows you to basically grow your own cat grass. It has the water underneath, so that way your water filters through, but you get water in here and you put your cat grass inside this catch. That way you can actually grow grass, and that helps with your pet's nutrition. And it just slides right in there. This whole thing just slides right into the side, and then you have your grass on the side, and then you have your water fountain up front. This filter slides right in here, so that way you have that, and then you have your little water fountain piece that just slides right in there and then just clicks in place. So this way the filter is so easy to change out, because all you have to do is just twist that and like pull that out, and this will let you know when it needs changed. So you don't have to guess, like, oh, has it been a month? Has it been 2 months? Has it been a week? Like, however long, it'll let you know when it's too dirty, and for you, it'll notify you to change it. So that is really cool. So this just goes right on top and clicks into place. It just slides right in. And before I show you, right here, so you can see where the water is fed from. You have these two spots right here. This is where the water comes from above. So yeah, and then obviously the wastewater goes into this bucket on the side. So you have this big water fountain. What I like about it too is it has multiple ways for your cat to drink from it. So if you have like a smaller cat that's a kitten, you can drink from the bottom, or if they like the water moving, or a dog, you have different heights for them to drink from. You have the base, and you have this middle height, and then you have the higher height. So it's kind of like a multi-level. It's just great. So basically, I don't know what else there is that it has everything. It has an app which you download, which I've already downloaded the app, and then you have to plug this in and connect the app to it, and I'll show you that. I'm going to go ahead and set all this up in my bathroom upstairs and track their usage, and show you over a week how much they use this thing, and it's just great. I can't wait. Oh, I'm so excited. I love new products. It's so great. Oh yeah. It also has like lighting on it to show you when things need replaced, or water low, or all those other sensors in case you don't want to use the Bluetooth app. It has it on there. It has Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi. So yeah, let's go check it out. Slowly filled up. See, it's very quiet. Like all you do is barely hear that little fountain. So this thing is really easy. Turn off. I unplugged it, and then you can pull this out. So I'm doing this one-handed. And pull that out. Under here is a filter. And then under here is that other filter, which you don't want to mistakenly remove. That does belong there. It's not packaging. So I have a standard bucket. It's just a standard mop bucket that's 10 quarts. And here's your 2 fully filled to the lines 5-liter buckets. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to fill how much water this is. It's like insane. And obviously some of it's spilled out. That's a lot. It's a lot of water. As you can see, the fountain I can turn on and off. I can circulate the water by turning oxygenation on and off. I can add water, but it doesn't need it, so I don't want to add water to it. Then I can go ahead and change the settings. So you can do, daily at 10:30 is the default. You can change it to every other day. Or in here, you can personalize it and set what dates and times and how often you want it to go. Then you can hit sterilize, which is really hard to see with the light on, but you can see the blue UV light turning it on and off to sterilize it. Then the last one, it's the only one that makes a lot of noise, is the draining of it, which I don't want to do. And it sends you an alert letting you know that something was done. So it is currently refilling all of the water. Use it for a week. So far it's been great. Knowing that if I leave for vacation, the amount for 2 cats and a dog, Rottweiler, drinking from this basically only used one side in an entire week. So meaning this whole other side was basically untouched other than like a little bit. So this will definitely last more than 2 weeks when I go on vacation and leave the cats. I'll have other water bowls out and stuff like that just in case, but I never rely on just one thing. But it's currently slowly filling up because I fully drained it out and all of that. Absolutely love it. It's quiet. The app is really cool. You can actually track the water consumption. It's back down to 0 and 0 because obviously I just unplugged it and plugged it back in and restarted it. So it is really cool. It also lets you know when to change the filter out and replace it. Yeah, I can't wait to continue to use this. Here we go. As it first kicks on the water fountain, that's where it can be a little bit loud because it's filtering the water through and pushing that through as it's first starting with the water being low. But once it finishes like the little cleaning cycle, it quiets down, and it's like, as you've heard from previous parts of the video, it's just like you don't hear it. It's just quiet. It's like very silent. But thank you for watching, and tell me what you think when you won and if you buy one. Comment below your questions, concerns. I'll try to answer them as best I can. And yeah, check out these other videos, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And yeah, this is freaking awesome. It's big. It is massive. But you got to remember, this can be for cats, dogs. It works for all. And yeah, it works really well. And you can, like I said, you can track their drink usage and stuff like that, even if you're not home. So it's great. Take care. Bye. Subscribe.